JJ Roofing's trade show is a great opportunity to come and talk to suppliers, to maybe look for some extra opportunities in terms of products.
You get to find out about new products, new innovations in the market, new systems, and also lots of courses that they've got available.
It's a great opportunity for networking. It's a great opportunity just to get an understanding of what new products and innovations are available on the market.
It gives customers a chance to engage with suppliers that they wouldn't normally meet, perhaps come up with some solutions that will solve the roofing problems that they have.
We came here last year, we found it very useful to be here, to meet the people that are involved in the products, to meet other tradesmen and to get a hands-on of the products as well.
It's also good to socialise a bit with the people you're buying from. It helps the industry in a great way.
There's a good range of suppliers here today, very knowledgeable, and lots of products on show.
No way of doing what you're putting on with the trade shows and bringing all these different brands together.
If you go to an exhibition, you might see 1 or 2 roofing companies, but here, it's got to be 20 or so.
You've got a display from some of the best suppliers out there.
There's lots of innovations, lots of products, lots of competitions.
We are running a competition today to win a PlayStation 5.
We're running a competition to win rugby tickets at Saracens Rugby, given the opportunity to win Sonos speaker with our Quickest Corner Challenge.
The competition is called the Free Through Free. First prize is £15,000 worth of DeWalt kit.
We're also doing a competition. You need to cut a heart shape with a slate hammer. We've had loads of takers for that today.
People should come to the trade show because it's a variety of different stands and also there's good promotions around as well.
There's been a lot of promotions on the day with JJ's actively giving back to their customers.
It's been really great to come and see all the different stands that they've got here.
It's an amazing array of market-leading suppliers that are attending, and it's a great opportunity to get all of your roofing projects up on one day.
Definitely looking forward to next year.
JJ Roofing Show is well worth our while to come down every year.
JJ Roofing Supplies Roofing Trade Show 2024. Fantastic deals, fantastic special offers and great prizes to win. It's the industry leader in roofing trade shows, so don't miss out because at JJ Roofing Supplies, if it's on the roof, we stock it.